Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, February 13th, and you are going into a 4-day weekend. So your homework will be to read 25 minutes each night, so that comes out to about 2 hours and 5 minutes total. And you should also be studying the Unit 3 study guide because that test is a week from today. And that is the test that you cannot redo. We are going to have a few mini lessons next week, but really you should be studying a lot individually. Wind time will start out the class today, so if there's any people that are still doing the speaking and listening test with Mrs. Pomisher, be prepared to do that. You also may still need to meet with me for the performance task if you haven't finished that. You can also complete the study guide. Remember, the study guide kind of looks like the ELA test prep right there. Create a study plan for yourself. You can look at the study options and you can view our class notes, and that will help prepare for the Unit 3 test on Thursday and Friday of next week. You may work on your personification poem, the Dear Basketball poem, if you have not finished that yet, because remember that is a summative grade in the grade book and it's a really large chunk of your grade, so you need to get that done. You can do a little bit of last minute studying for the vocab quiz coming up here in about 10-15 minutes, or if you feel like you have everything else taken care of, you can have some IR time. Once that is done, once wind time is over, and it'll be shorter than normal, it'll be maybe like 15 minutes today, then we're going to get into a little bit of trash ball where you are going to practice writing sentences for the vocab words, and then we're going to get right into the vocab quiz. So for first and second period, you just are all going to be in the classroom with Mrs. Pomisher and myself. For third and fourth, the groupings are here, and we will write where each group is going to be on the board. So please, if you need to, you can pause and write down who you're going to be with for quizzes. Same thing for group 6, for 6th and 7th period. Your groups are here, and we will write down where you're going to be going on the board. Once you are done with the quiz, there are a couple options. You either might be pulled for some more reteaching, or you can do any makeup work that you need to do. And if there is nothing that you are behind in, you have been assigned some extension work in Otis called The Fun They Had, and you will be able to work in a partnership to finish that. So if you are completely done with everything else, you've been assigned this already in Otis. So that is our agenda for today. Please close up your Chromebooks and start in on wind time. And good luck on the quiz today, and have a great 4-day weekend.